Have you ever felt like your inbox is less a tool for productivity and more a black hole for your sanity? A never-ending stream of emails, important ones lost in the noise, urgent replies delayed by sheer volume, and the nagging feeling that you're always just one email away from missing something critical? If your answer is a resounding yes, then you're probably in the same boat as millions of others, drowning in digital correspondence. But what if I told you there's an app that could transform that chaotic inbox into a serene, efficient workspace? An app designed to bring order to the email madness, enhance your productivity, and give you back control of your precious time? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton Mail, an email client that promises to revolutionize the way you manage your emails on both iOS and Android. Forget everything you thought you knew about email apps. Newton isn't just about sending and receiving messages, it's a comprehensive productivity suite disguised as an email client, packed with intelligent features designed to streamline your workflow and minimize distractions. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the app itself, let's set the stage. Email, despite its age, remains a cornerstone of modern communication. From professional correspondence to personal updates, it's ubiquitous. However, the sheer volume of emails we receive daily can be overwhelming. Standard email clients often offer a bare minimum of features, leaving users to grapple with manual organization, missed follow-ups, and an ever-present sense of digital clutter. This is where Newton steps in. It's built on the philosophy that email shouldn't be a chore, but a powerful tool that works for you, not against you. So, what exactly is Newton Mail? At its core, Newton is a cross-platform email application known for its clean, minimalist interface and a powerful suite of advanced features. It's designed to be fast, reliable, and incredibly smart. Whether you're juggling multiple accounts, need to schedule emails for later, or want to know if someone has actually read your important message, Newton aims to be your go-to solution. It's available on iOS and Android, ensuring a consistent and seamless experience no matter which device you prefer. Now, let's begin our walkthrough, starting with the initial setup and then delving into the core features that make Newton stand out. I'll be demonstrating on both an iOS and Android device to highlight the similarities and any subtle differences. When you first launch Newton Mail, you'll be greeted with a welcoming screen that emphasizes its key benefits, simplicity, speed, and powerful features. The first step, naturally, is to add your email accounts. Newton supports all major email providers, including Gmail, Outlook, Exchange, Yahoo Mail, iCloud, and IMAP accounts. The process is incredibly straightforward. Simply tap Add Account, choose your provider, and sign in securely through their respective authentication protocols. Newton doesn't store your passwords directly, instead using secure tokens, which is a big plus for security-conscious users. You can add multiple accounts, and Newton does an excellent job of consolidating them into a unified inbox, or you can switch between them easily. Once your accounts are set up, you'll immediately notice Newton's hallmark, its incredibly clean and uncluttered interface. The focus is on your emails, with minimal distractions. On both iOS and Android, the primary inbox view is a list of your emails, organized chronologically. Swiping gestures are intuitive and consistent across platforms. A quick swipe right reveals options like Mark as Read, Archive, or Delete, while a swipe left can give you options like Snooze, Move, or Mark as Spam. These gestures are customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your personal workflow. Let's talk about the features that truly elevate Newton beyond a standard email client. First up, and arguably one of Newton's most celebrated features, is Read Receipts. Have you ever sent an important email and wondered if the recipient actually opened it? With Read Receipts, that uncertainty is a thing of the past. When composing an email, simply tap the eye icon, and if the recipient opens your email, you'll receive a discreet notification. This is incredibly useful for business correspondence, job applications, or any situation where knowing if your message was seen is crucial. It's a game changer for accountability and follow-up. Next, we have Send Later. How many times have you drafted an email late at night, but don't want to send it until business hours? Or perhaps you need to send a reminder on a specific date and time. Send later allows you to compose your email now and schedule it to be sent at a future date and time. It's perfect for ensuring your emails arrive at the optimal moment, maximizing their impact and respecting the recipient's time zones. Simply tap the clock icon when composing an email, choose your desired date and time, and Newton handles the rest. Your email will sit in your outbox until it's time to fly. Another brilliant feature is snooze. This is like hitting the snooze button on your alarm, but for emails. If an email isn't immediately actionable, but you don't want to forget about it, you can snooze it to reappear in your inbox at a later, more convenient time. Options include later today, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, or even a custom date and time. This keeps your inbox clean and focused on what's urgent now, while ensuring important but not yet urgent emails don't get lost in the shuffle. It's a powerful tool for maintaining inbox zero without the stress. Recap is an intelligent feature that helps you stay on top of emails you might have missed or forgotten to reply to. Newton's AI analyzes your inbox and brings back conversations that are awaiting your reply or that you haven't received a reply to. It acts as a smart reminder, ensuring that important threads don't fall through the cracks. This is particularly valuable for busy professionals who might have dozens or even hundreds of emails coming in daily. Recap provides a gentle nudge, preventing embarrassing missed opportunities. For those who regularly send out information or need to follow up, Sender Profile is a fantastic addition. When you receive an email from someone, Newton can provide you with their sender profile, often including their job title, company, and links to their social media profiles, like LinkedIn. This gives you instant context about who you're communicating with, helping you tailor your responses and build stronger connections. It's especially useful for networking, sales, or recruitment. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.